how are you? We are baking spirits bright. Such a fun and inexpensive Christmas craft to do with your besties or with the little ones. Oh my gosh, this is so easy and the outcome is just too cute. If you like this video, please make sure you press thumbs up button. And if you like to become my bestie, go ahead, press the red subscribe button, and that way we will be in touch and you won't miss any of my future videos. Always fun, beautiful, and on the budget. Let's get started.
You can find most of the supplies at your local Dollar Tree, like this cookie baking sheet, gingerbread foam shapes, and you get a pack of 12, which is a lot for many more projects. You can also cut out your own shapes out of the foam sheets. In addition, you're gonna need some icing, puffy paint, 3D paint, glue, Mod Podge, glitter, all that fun stuff. Since the sheets are very thin, I glue 3, one on top of the other, but you can also reinforce them with cardboard or foam board, whatever is easier for you. And then for the top layer, I paint the GINGIE with Mod Podge and sprinkle with glitter. I leave them out to dry and then use the green and red foam sheets to make them some outfits. Very simple, nothing fancy. First, I mark up some basic measurements here on the shoulders, and then I just freehand a dress for her. And then I'm going to cut it out and adjust to size as needed. And to cut out the neckline, I just fold the dress in half and cut out half a circle. And let's see, this is how it looks. What do you think? Very simple, right? And for him, even easier. I'm just marking up simple measurements for a vest, and I'm going to freehand it again. And again, fold the vest in half, and we are going to cut a V-neck. Cut it out, try it on. Looks a little bit loose fit. Let's adjust it. Chop, chop. Very nice, ready to go. Originally, I was gluing the foam sheets with the school glue, but I decided to try hot glue just for a quicker drying time. And I have to tell you that it works. I couldn't really see the hot glue marks through the foam. So from now on, I'll be just using hot glue. And now the fun part of decorating the cookies. That's why I think this is a perfect project to do with the little ones. And as you can see, I'm not a perfectionist. I don't know how to make any fancy designs here. I'm just painting the outlines, even a couple times to cover up that gap in between the dress and the GINGIE body. And you know what? I'm just having fun with it because when you make your Christmas cookies, you know how it goes. They're not perfect, but it's all about the experience and just having fun with it, right? I make little swirls at the bottom of the dress. After each, I just shake the bottle and let out the air. And then add the little designs on arms and legs. So just have fun with it, create your own, and enjoy the experience. The foam sheets are so matte, so I go back with the matte patch and sprinkle some glitter on top. I think it makes it look more like a cookie. And then you can use any embellishments you might have. Hobby Lobby has a section for the little Christmas ornaments. That's where I got these little gumdrop ornaments. I just pulled the hangers. And I didn't have any peppermints, so I just pulled the bottoms from the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. And wait a minute, the guy needs a bow tie. I'm not sure where to place the buttons. Let me just finish this. For her, I'm going to paint a little color here. And for him, I'm going to cut out a bow tie out of leftover from her dress. Just cut out a rectangle and then just cut out little triangles and have a bow tie just like that. Let's see, for her, we're going to cut out a little bow for her hair out of his leftover vest. We're going to hot glue it. Of course, I have to be careful not to mess it up. Everything's still wet. You know, no patience here to wait for things to dry. Starting to look delicious. Just have to sprinkle everything with the sugar crystals. I mean glitter. Looks so sweet and delicious. And then we are going to use the black paint to paint the eyes, red paint to paint the nose, and so on. Okay, they are ready. We are going to put these in the oven at 380 for 10 minutes. No, just kidding. Just glue these down, one next to the other on the baking sheet. Oopsie, we forgot to butter up the pan and sprinkle some flour. I used the white glitter here. And for the sprinkle, I used the Dollar Tree foam beads. I just spilled them on the table and picked out the red and green ones. Maybe they look a little bit lonely there, so I'm gonna add a candy cane. And this is from the Dollar Tree. I think they used to sell a pack of 3. Also, I have some cute ribbons here, so I'm just gonna make a very simple bow. I'm going to cut strips 7 inches long, 2 pieces of each ribbon. There's no room here for a big bow, so this is just easy. We're going to crisscross all the pieces, alternating each pattern. Let's see. Something like this, and pinch it all together. And I'm going to use a zip tie to tie it tightly all together and then fluff it up. We are going to glue it in the top corner here, and I'm going to use a little wood round to elevate the bow a little bit. For a cherry on top, we are going to add this adorable spoon with a gingy. I found it at Walmart. It was out loose on the shelf like that. And they sold it to me for 98 cents. I really don't know. It looks like a part of the set, something maybe that fell out. They didn't have any more, but how cute is that? I also have this little rolling pin that used to be from my daughter's Play-Doh set. She doesn't play anymore. So I'm just going to use my little Cricut Joy and print out a little vinyl, Baking Spirits Bright. And if you like to find out how to use a little cutting machine like that, you can look it up in this video. But it's very easy, user-friendly. I just cut out the vinyl real quick and stick it right on there. And to make it all coordinate, I put a layer of Mod Podge and sprinkle with some sugar. Look how cute is that. When it dries, of course, we're gonna tie some little bows on the handles. I'm gonna glue it in the corner and you tell me how do you like it if you plan to recreate it this season. Make sure you tag me.
Did you enjoy this video? I hope you did. Please press thumbs up button, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Always inexpensive, beautiful, and on the budget. Take care, my besties. Bye-bye.